back?
Mm-hmm.
Yes!
Got that?
Mm-hmm. Shoot. I want to give a shout out to Brendan from GT. He sent me the Avalanche Comp 27.5. I'm stoked to try this new bike.
What bike is this?
The GT Avalanche Comp, 27.5.
Who made you want this bike?
Lamar and Slim, they let me ride their Mafias that were the same style as this bike, and it made me want to try out this style.
Alright, let's build it.
Alright.
Alright, stop. Next one. So we're gonna leave everything stock except for what?
The seat, we're gonna swap it up for a ride-out supply.
You don't think this is gonna be comfy for your little bony butt?
No,
Yes.
it's like silver and black. And then we got some Theory median pedals that we're gonna
They feel
swap
grippy?
out. Yeah.
Those will hurt. Alright, it's ready. Alright, go to the front. Might have to loosen that some. Make sure it's all the way in there. A little different? Drop the curb.
Thank you, Brendan from GT. I'm stoked that you sent me this bike, and it is the Avalanche Comp 27.5. Put on the Theory median white pedals, and we have a ride-out supply black seat. Thank you.